Hey everyone, want to add a collaborator to your YouTube video so you can both get credit? Let me show you how to do that in YouTube Studio. All right, so first open your web browser and go to YouTube Studio. You can get there by going to studio.youtube.com or clicking your profile picture on YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio. Once you're in, click Content on the left side menu. This shows you all your uploaded videos. Find the video you want to add a collaborator to. Hover over it with your mouse and click the pencil icon that says Details or Edit. Now scroll down on the Video Details page until you see the Collaborations section. Click Invite a Collaborator. A search box pops up. Type in the channel name of the person you want to collaborate with. When their channel appears, click on it to select them. You'll see an option asking if you want to let them view analytics for this video. Check that box if you want, just know they won't see any revenue info, just views and engagement stats. Once you've made your choice, click Create Link. YouTube generates a special invitation link. Copy that link and send it to your collaborator however you want. Email, text, Discord, whatever. They'll need to click that link and accept the invitation. Until they accept, it'll show as pending. Once they accept, their channel will be displayed alongside yours on the video, and both of your audiences will see it. Want to remove a collaborator? Just click the three dots next to their name and select Remove. And that's it. Now you can properly credit collaborators on your YouTube videos.